Hi Heather.
Hello.
We're at the races.
We are.
I made you a key.
You certainly have.
What was the best bit?
The fact, the races were having the key cut.
Both.
The fact that I'm enjoying myself,
Yeah.
and a nice young gentleman comes along and cuts the key for me while I wait.
Fantastic.
So yes, I'm still enjoying myself, and it's all done in less than 40 minutes.
Oh, very good. Thank you very much for your business.
That's
Thank
all right.
you. You lost the keys for the golf?
Yeah, lots of keys.
And somebody nuked them in the microwave.
Yeah,
They were,
sorry.
they were dead.
They didn't work, yeah.
So we've made a new key for the golf and it's okay?
Yeah, it's fine, absolutely fine.
And the Passat made a new key for your Passat?
Yeah.
And are you happy?
Absolutely.
What was the best bit?
Customer service and economical with the price as well.
That's good. Thank you very much for your business.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hi, Becky.
Hi, Becky.
Hello.
Are you in your car?
Yes, thank you.
Are you happy?
Yes, very, very happy.
Got the keys in the boot?
Yes.
Never mind.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, didn't take long.
No.
And you're all
very,
open.
Very good service and a very nice person.
Ah, very kind of you. Thanks very much, Becky. 30-second video
Right.
for me website. What's your name?
Numinary.
And you locked out your van?
Yeah.
You got you in?
Yeah.
What was
and
the
it
best?
so quick, yeah. I
Was so
didn't
quick?
realise that, yeah.
Are you happy?
Didn't break anything, yeah.
Didn't break anything, got you in the van, and you got security locks.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're in.
Yeah.
And you're a happy bunny?
Very happy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cheers now, thanks.